We all
We are
good.
good too. Yeah. Okay.
Good to know.
This is my friend.
Hi, my name is Hong.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Ari.
Hello, sorry.
My name is Giant.
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 Yes.
Yes.
And my name is Excel.
Yeah.
Excel.
Yes.
And we know each other on Mayby. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, today we will discuss with you about biomimicry.
Biomimicry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The question one. Do you know about biomimicry?
I don't think so. I never heard of it.
Okay, alright, so let me explain what biomimicry is. Biomimicry is when we learn from nature to solve problem and create design. For example, velcro wood inspired by pearl sticking to fur, and bullet train were modeled after kingfisher birds. Is nature teaching us smart solution? Yeah, something like that.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me some example of biomimicry?
Alright, at the first, I will ask you, do you know why swimmers are swimming faster on this day?
I'm not sure because of their suit.
Yes, alright. I can explain more because of new suit that mimics the design of shark skin. This design is also used to reduce friction on ships, submarines, and airplanes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, Farah, now you know about what biomimicry is, right?
I think yes.
Okay. Giant.
So can you give me an example of biomimicry in your daily life?
It's like they use some snake skin to make it shoes or boots, something like that.
Yes,
To
that's
make it
correct.
stronger.
Yes.
Yes. You mean the boot mimics from snake skin, right?
Yes, I heard of it. Is that correct?
Yes, that's
Yes.
correct.
Okay.
Next, we will talk about Velcro. Do you know about Velcro?
Yes.
Okay, this is Velcro. And do you know about story about it?
No.
Okay, is it a tape with two strips that stick together, one with soft fiber and the other with small hooks? It was invented in 1948 by Swiss engineer George de Maistre. It inspired by how the horrible seas stuck to his dog fur.
Good.
Okay, now we got the last question. Okay, how do you think biomimicry is important to human?
I think biomimicry is developing our environment for more sustainable, easier, and more convenient. But if you know more, you can let me know more.
Yes, you correct that you say. For me, biomimicry helps humans develop sustainable technologies, save energy, create new innovation, and protect the environment by learning from nature's processes and designs. Yes.
Really great.
Okay. We have no question more. Thank you so much for
You're welcome, very
discussing
welcome.
with us.
Yeah, thank you, Farah.
We appreciate that.
Thank you. Me too.
Hi.
Have a great day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
too.
too.